In the rapidly evolving world of technology, the cost of chip manufacturing is a crucial factor that shapes the future of innovation. By 2025 to 2030, the landscape of semiconductor production will be defined by the introduction of 3nm chips, which promise to deliver unprecedented performance and efficiency. But what does it actually cost to manufacture these cutting-edge chips? As we dive into the numbers, we see that the expenses associated with producing a 3nm chip can soar into the billions. The fabrication process involves advanced lithography techniques, requiring state-of-the-art equipment and highly specialized materials. The capital expenditure for a new fabrication plant, or fab, can easily exceed $10 billion. This hefty price tag reflects the complexity of the technology and the need for precision at such a small scale. But it's not just about the machinery. The workforce plays a pivotal role in this equation. Skilled engineers and technicians are essential for operating these sophisticated systems, and their expertise comes at a premium. As the demand for 3nm chips grows, so too does the need for a well-trained workforce, further driving up costs. Now, let's talk about the role of intellectual property in this high-stakes environment. As companies invest heavily in research and development, protecting their innovations becomes paramount. This is where Patent PC steps in. With a robust IP strategy, innovators can safeguard their inventions and ensure they reap the rewards of their hard work. Patent PC's expert attorneys specialize in navigating the complexities of patent law, helping businesses secure their competitive edge in the semiconductor market. In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, having a solid IP strategy is not just beneficial, it's essential. Companies that effectively manage their intellectual property can not only protect their innovations, but also monetize them, turning ideas into revenue streams. This is particularly critical in the semiconductor industry, where the cost of failure can be astronomical. As we look toward the future, the interplay between manufacturing costs and intellectual property will shape the competitive landscape. Companies that understand this dynamic will be better positioned to thrive in an increasingly complex market. So, if you're an innovator or entrepreneur looking to make your mark in the chip manufacturing arena, consider the importance of a strong IP strategy. Don't leave your innovations unprotected. Visit patentpc.com to speak with expert patent attorneys at Patent PC Law Firm and discover how to monetize your innovations today. Your ideas deserve protection, and with the right strategy, you can turn them into a profitable reality.